exploring the history of CAA through the lens of 1948. The Citizenship Amendment Act, or CAA, enacted in 2019, ignited widespread debate and controversy across India, sparking discussions about citizenship, identity, and historical precedents. To understand the roots of the CAA, one must delve into history, particularly the events of 1948, which laid the groundwork for the contentious issues surrounding citizenship and refugees in post-independence India. Backdrop of 1948. The year 1948 was a pivotal moment in India's history, marked by the traumatic aftermath of partition and the creation of two independent nations, India and Pakistan. The partition led to one of the largest migrations in human history, with millions of people uprooted from their homes and forced to flee across newly drawn borders. The communal violence and displacement that ensued left scars that continue to shape the socio-political landscape of the subcontinent. The citizenship dilemma. In the wake of partition, the question of citizenship emerged as a complex and contentious issue. The newly formed Indian government grappled with the task of determining the citizenship status of millions of refugees who had crossed over from Pakistan, particularly those belonging to religious minorities such as Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains, Parsis, and Christians. Nehru-Liaquat Pact. In 1950, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistan's Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan signed the Nehru-Liaquat Pact, also known as the Delhi Pact, aimed at protecting the rights of minorities in both countries. The pact included provisions for the protection of minority rights, the return of abducted women, and the assurance of citizenship and fundamental rights to minorities. However, the implementation of these provisions remained a challenge, and many refugees continue to face difficulties in securing citizenship and rehabilitation. Legacy of the partition. The legacy of partition and its impact on citizenship rights reverberate to this day. The Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019, which seeks to grant expedited citizenship to persecuted minorities from Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Afghanistan, has been met with both support and criticism. Critics argue that the CAA discriminates against Muslims and undermines the secular principles enshrined in the Indian Constitution, while supporters argue that it provides much-needed relief to persecuted minorities fleeing religious persecution in neighboring countries. Conclusion. The history of the Citizenship Amendment Act is deeply intertwined with the events of 1948 and the aftermath of partition. The trauma and displacement caused by partition continue to shape debates surrounding citizenship, identity, and refugee rights in contemporary India. As the country grapples with the complexities of its past and present, it is imperative to engage in nuanced discussions and seek solutions that uphold the principles of equality, justice, and inclusivity for all.